How to contact Roblox support on mobile. So, the first step is by opening your Roblox app and then go to this three dots found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are right there, simply scroll down and look for help right here. So click on help and wait for it to load. And then you just type in contact us right here. Click on done and click on contact us. And then you may go to support form right here. So click on it and wait for it to load. So you may log in your Roblox app right here or not. So you may simply place your birth date right here and simply follow the steps needed and input your problem or your concern on the form that will be provided. So that's it. That's how you can contact Roblox support on mobile. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.